Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Hey John. In today's video, I'll be covering the 5 biggest problems for Bitcoin. And the reason why I'm going to cover that is because Bitcoin is the market leader, and the market leader dictates where our Dogecoin goes. So stay tuned and watch it, and you want to be informed, so check it out. Bitcoin is having a wildly volatile first half of this year. There are 5 of the biggest risks coming up. One of the biggest risks for Bitcoin right now is regulation. China has clamped down on its cryptocurrency industry, shuttering energy-intensive crypto mining operations and ordering major banks and payment firms like Alipay not to do business with cryptocurrency companies. Last week, the global crypto crackdown spread to the United Kingdom, where regulators banned leading digital currency exchange Binance from undertaking regulated activities. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen and other officials have recently warned about the use of cryptocurrency for, you guessed it, illicit transactions. Last year, former President Donald Trump administration proposed an anti-money laundering rule that would require people who hold their crypto in a private digital wallet to undergo identity checks if they make transactions of $3,000 or more. The second hurdle is another big risk is persistent extreme swings in the price of Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Bitcoin rallied to an all-time record of around $64,829 in April this year on the day of crypto exchange Coinbase Blockbuster's debut. It then stumbled as low as 28,911 in June, briefly sliding below 30,000, turning negative for the year. It's since risen back above 34,000. The longer that Bitcoin moves sideways in the 30 to 40K range, in my opinion, this means that there is greater perceived base building. The third risk is Bitcoin mining equipment requires lots of energy to run, and Bitcoin's energy consumption has risen considerably over the years in tandem with its price. Elon Musk brought the issue back to the fore this year. Musk electric car firm stunned both fans and skeptics of Bitcoin this year when it bought 1.5 billion worth of the digital currency and began accepting it as a method of payment. But he subsequently roiled crypto markets after deciding to halt Bitcoin payments due to the currency's insane energy usage and a reliance on fossil fuels. So-called stable coins, whose prices are meant to be pegged to real world assets like the US dollar, are also facing growing criticisms. Federal Reserve Bank of Boston President Eric Rosengreen said Tether, a stablecoin that ranks among the world's largest digital currencies, was a risk to the stability of the financial system. Investors worry Tether's issuer doesn't have enough dollar reserves to justify its dollar peg. In May, the company behind Tether broke down the reserves for the stablecoin, revealing that around 70% was backed by cash and cash equivalents, but just under 4% of that was actual cash US dollar monies, while about 65% was commercial paper, a form of short-term debt. 5. At one point, Dogecoin was worth more than Ford and other major US firms, thanks in no small part to support from celebrities like Musk. Its value has depreciated significantly since then. I'm heartbroken about that, but don't worry. Dogecoin will have another day soon. Elsewhere in the crypto market, a decentralized finance or DeFi token called Titan crashed to zero. Self-made billionaire investor Mark Cuban was a hodler and he got burned. So even billionaires can get it wrong. Let's go ahead and cover them Dogecoin charts now. So you can see currently we're trading at about 24.81. On the daily here, you can see us starting to make lower lows daily since June 29th. So every day we're seeing a lower low happen here. So to me, this is looking like a short-term downtrend. The only question is how long and how short-term is this trend here, right? It is just beginning, and we are on day number 3. So currently Dogecoin is trading inside the Agora reaction ribbon here, and we are seeing the support around 22.15. And every day we inch closer and closer towards it. And currently we are piercing inside the reaction ribbon, which is a combination of moving averages. So that means that currently we are just hanging around there and we are in the moving averages, which tells me that neither bull or bear is in control. However, though, this does mean that the Dogecoin bulls, if they go below 22.15, that means they are near and below the current Agora ribbon here. And this tells me that the bears will be in control and then 22.15 will be a resistance. However, I'm not trying to create fun or anything. I'm just saying based on the charts, this could potentially happen. Obviously, I would like for Dogecoin to rocket and go to the moon. And yesterday we did see a spike due to Elon Musk throwing out a bunch of tweets. So with that being said, that is why Dogecoin saw a nice spike. But you know, usually when Elon Musk tweets, it's usually short-lived. So just things to be aware of and to watch out for. And of course, we are still trading sideways and our resistance is still at 29.0. So stay tuned for more updates. I'll catch you guys.